How to register a security fingerprint on an LG phone.
The fingerprints interface on an LG phone, the home screen, photos and number keypad.
Registering a fingerprint on your LG phone, which can allow you to quickly unlock your device, sign into websites, and quickly and securely perform other authentication tasks, is fast and easy. We'll show you how.
Gear icon on the home screen.
To register a fingerprint for biometric security on your compatible LG phone, tap on Settings. Then tap on Lock Screen and Security, and tap on Fingerprints.
Number keypad.
Enter your current phone security code, PIN, or password if applicable. Then tap Add Fingerprint.
In an animation, an index finger touches a circle near the center of the phone. Blue and purple concentric lines expand from the point of touch. Below it, a number indicates the percentage completed.
Follow the directions on the screen to place your finger on the sensor repeatedly, slightly shifting the pad of your finger with each scan. Continue this until the fingerprint registration is completed.
Text: you can now unlock your phone with your fingerprint.
You can add additional fingerprints by following the same steps. To delete a registered fingerprint, tap on the trash bin icon to the right of it, then tap Delete. You can also enable locking various content on your phone, such as the Screen Lock, Gallery, and Quick Memo Plus by enabling the Content Lock. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.
lg.com/us/support. Icons for Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, email, phone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you were using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending on its model, your product may differ in appearance from the products shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company, Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.